With your little ugly ass. You got your ass on in the camera, Reptar. Move. Bino. What's up, ugly? What's up, ugly? Little ugly boy. What was I gonna say? Who got Reptar? I mean, who got Bino's brother?
The same nigga who we got Bino. Hey! Come over there. He trying to open them cookies.
What he was saying though? He be trying to open his cage.
He's smart as fuck trying to open them fucking cookies. The same nigga we got Bino in slime from.
Why ain't he give him up?
I don't know. I ain't give him up.
What he was talking about now?
I don't know. He wanted. He was trying to wait because he said he was gonna use it to breed him, but I don't know.
Reptar, say what's up, Instagram. He said, fuck Instagram, nigga. I'm already famous. Why does it sound like your dog is sniffing crack?